Luhair's LRH series piling rigs target deep foundation projects, offering various models to handle diverse tasks. Their key feature is a versatile leader, allowing precise pile placement without repositioning the machine, saving time and effort for operators and project sites. These rigs can manage concrete, steel, and wooden piles, with some models adaptable as drilling rigs for enhanced flexibility. With over 3 decades of expertise, Spanish company Next Trencher designs and manufactures durable trenching equipment for tough terrains, particularly hard rock or abrasive soils. Built with high-quality steel frames, their machines withstand intense use in rocky or abrasive conditions. Their range includes models with cutting widths from 45.5 to 140 centimeters and digging depths of 350 to 550 centimeters. In Glan's rock picker range, the Delman Rock King 9600 stands out as a powerhouse. Manufactured since 1962, this robust tool excels in large-scale rock removal for industrial and agricultural settings. Its 5 cubic yard hopper minimizes unloading frequency, boosting productivity, while a 7-foot 3-inch dump height allows easy unloading onto trucks, trailers, or stockpiles. Chemrock's EK 1140 chain cutter, also known as the Urer, is an excavator attachment designed for precise, efficient trenching in medium to hard rock. Unlike rotary drum cutters, it uses a patented continuous chain with cutting teeth, rotating between 2 sturdy drums to remove material. This reduces excavator swing gear wear, requiring less motion, and achieves similar production rates with up to 40% less energy, lowering costs and increasing efficiency. The GMR Hedge tractor-mounted mulcher is a versatile tractor attachment that cuts and mulches hedges and branches up to 3 centimeters thick. Its lightweight aluminum frame simplifies mounting on smaller tractors or tool carriers. Equipped with 3 455 mm mulching blades, it ensures clean cuts and minimal cleanup, requiring low maintenance due to reduced oil use. The John Deere 1050K crawler dozer is built for demanding tasks requiring high productivity. Powered by a 261 kilowatts, 13.5 L engine, it delivers ample force for moving large material volumes. Its dual-path hydrostatic transmission offers infinite speed control for precise operation, despite its 42,800 to 43,100 kilograms operating weight. Apollo Universal's conveyor belt system for poultry uses belts to guide chickens to a central area, with a final caging belt ensuring even distribution into containers. A computer system monitors weight for precise filling, improving animal welfare, efficiency, biosecurity, and potentially profitability by reducing labor costs. Green's Universal ILF Alpha is a self-propelled hydrostatic machine for tough vegetation removal. Operated remotely for enhanced safety, its hydraulic system ensures powerful, smooth performance, improving efficiency and operator protection. The Karcher MC130 City Sweeper is a compact, year-round municipal cleaning solution. Its 66 horsepower Stage 5 diesel engine delivers impressive performance for its size, cleaning sidewalks and roads effectively. With multiple attachment options, it supports tasks like transportation, winter services, and weed removal, while its spacious 2-person cabin prioritizes operator comfort. The Vermeer T1255 Terrain Leveler SEM excels in surface excavation and site preparation for mining and civil projects. Available in direct drive for cutting near vertical walls or chain drive for head-on cutting, both configurations achieve a 27-inch cutting depth, ideal where blasting is restricted. The MTM 600 autonomous vehicle is designed for hot forging environments, transporting large metal components with precision through tight spaces, even retrieving items from furnace chambers. Built with heat-resistant materials, it protects critical components from extreme heat. The Terramac RT6 compact crawler carrier, despite being Terramac's smallest model, boasts a 12,000 pounds hauling capacity. Its rubber tracks reduce ground damage while providing excellent traction, and its configurable chassis supports various attachments, making it highly versatile. Vermeer's ZR5 self-propelled baler creates round bales of hay, fodder, or corn stalks without needing a tractor, reducing operating costs. Its zero-turn feature and automated functions enhance agility and streamline baling, minimizing manual effort. Mency muck excavators, with their spider-like chassis and 4 telescopic legs, offer unmatched adaptability on slopes, uneven, or soft terrain. Their high ground clearance and stability make them ideal for challenging environments. The Harvester Head H425, designed for John Deere 1270G and 1470G harvesters, handles trees up to 500 mm in diameter. With customizable sawbox options, 4-roller feed arms, and deliming knives, it ensures secure log processing and precise measurements in tough forestry conditions. The CAT 836 landfill compactor is built for heavy-duty landfill operations, featuring a durable main structure, enhanced guarding, and a powerful CAT C18 engine. Its compaction control and mapping systems ensure efficient, uniform compaction, potentially reducing passes. Epiroc's Boltec M10 and E10 are mechanized rock bolting rigs for medium to large tunnels in mining and civil engineering. They handle various bolt types, mesh, and installation methods, ensuring safety and reliability. The CAT D3 series skid steer and compact track loaders offer 15% more cab space, larger door openings, and 40% improved visibility. Their high-performance drivetrain and electronic torque management ensure maximum power and efficiency. The T655 trencher, designed for underground utility installation, supports optional attachments like rock or bucket wheels. Its heavy-duty steel frame handles tough conditions, cutting trenches up to 8 feet deep for large pipelines. The Top Cleaner greenhouse roof cleaner uses water and a rotating brush system to clean glass or plastic greenhouse roofs without chemicals, ensuring clear roofs for optimal plant sunlight exposure. Volvo's F-Series articulated haulers are robust off-road trucks for construction, mining, and quarries, emphasizing durability, performance, and operator comfort. The discontinued Volvo A40F chassis supported 30-40-ton dump bodies built for harsh conditions. The Vortex skid steer stump grinder attachment efficiently mulches soft and hardwood stumps with its steel frame and hydraulic motor, using a 27-31-inch non-symmetrical wheel with replaceable teeth. The Loftness 10T system grain bag unloader quickly unloads 10-foot grain bags, emptying a 1,000-bushel trailer in 7 minutes. Its user-friendly design includes a manually disengageable roller drive. The K-Tech 1263 ADT, the world's largest pull scraper, has a 63 cubic yard capacity, ideal for large-scale excavation with its large gate, belly, and 15.25-foot bucket. The Jarcrack Magna Pro Forwarder, paired with the Palm's 4.71 crane, efficiently transports logs in forestry, handling tough terrain with its robust design and high ground clearance. The Tal Sweep Pro Gigant 920 industrial sweeper uses 920 mm brush rings and 3D leveling to clean large areas like airports and harbors, handling tough debris with durable polypropylene brushes. The Nitec Hunklinger paving clamp simplifies laying paving stones with multiple gripping arms, reducing manual labor by securely placing stones in patterns. The ODM Bow Cutter Soil Mix System, CSM, creates hardened walls by mixing cement slurry with soil, using a cutter head with 2 wheels. Steel reinforcements are inserted into the slurry, forming staggered CSM panels for urban settings with minimal noise and vibration. Itera's truck-mounted asphalt distributors with 1,000,4 500-gallon capacities ensure precise asphalt application for road construction, repairs, and sealant application. Stark's high-performance snow-clearing device efficiently removes snow from roads with its wide working width, operating at high speeds for timely snow removal. The Johnston ITM C201 hydrostatic weed brush attachment removes weeds from pavements and sidewalks, eliminating the need for pre-ingestive processes. The Weopum leaf collector, designed for skid steers and tractors, efficiently collects leaves and biomass, even in wet conditions, with a 1,000 L capacity and 1,900 mm emptying height. The DWI 1-pass trencher performs deep excavations up to 125 feet for applications like soil bentonite cutoff walls, completing excavation and installation in one pass. Komatsu Mining's hybrid diesel LHDs use the senior hybrid drive system to capture braking energy, reducing fuel consumption by 30% compared to conventional LHDs. The CAT A63 subterranean dump truck, with a 63-ton capacity and EU Stage 5 CAT C27 engine, offers automated retarder control, ergonomic controls, and ROPS/FOPS protection for efficient underground mining. The Vogel Super 33i paver, paired with the MT33i offset material feeder, ensures fast, high-quality asphalt paving with a steady material flow, minimizing gaps or bumps. The Tiger Stone 2023, powered by a lithium-ion battery, efficiently paves sidewalks and pedestrian areas with its hopper-fed bricklaying mechanism, reducing environmental impact. The Contour 700 TPK stem road marking machine applies paint or thermoplastics for lines 5 to 50 centimeters wide, integrating reflective beads and ergonomic controls for efficient road marking. The Golden Gate Bridges zipper truck barrier transfer machine relocates 12-foot, 1,500 pounds concrete median barriers in 30 seconds each, adjusting traffic flow safely and efficiently. The Velocity Road Patcher uses spray injection patching to repair potholes quickly with compressed air, cold bitumen emulsion, and aggregate, minimizing disruption. The Power Kerber 5700D revolutionizes concrete slip forming for efficient construction. Instead of requiring an entire fleet of specialist machinery, just one powerful machine can do a wide variety of functions. The 5700D performs well on a variety of tasks, including simple curbing and gutters, intricate highway safety barriers, ditches, sidewalks, and even unusual applications. Its small size is one of its greatest assets. Forget large, cumbersome devices that strain in small areas over obstructions like parking lots, cul-de-sacs, or islands. The 5700D moves with ease. It even travels within permissible width limitations, so a heavy-duty lowboy trailer is not necessary. The Vogel Super MT33i gives asphalt paving a double boost, but it's not a single machine. Rather, it's a matched pair made to function as a unit with an enhanced material management system that guarantees consistent asphalt flow and quality during paving. The Vogel Super 33i paver lays the groundwork. This feeder works at a distance, providing greater freedom on the job site than feeders placed directly behind the paver. There's more to this offset design than just ease of use. With its strong conveying system, the feeder can move an impressive 12,200 tons of asphalt mix per hour. By reducing stops or gaps in the asphalt being placed, this maximizes efficiency and paving quality by guaranteeing a constant and ongoing supply to the paver. In the concrete slip-form paving business, the Komatsu Commander 3 is a multipurpose workhorse. Sidewalks, monolithic curb and gutter, barrier walls, bridge safety parapets, irrigation canals, and even specialized paving jobs are just a few of the many uses for this equipment. With its strong hydraulic package that gives each track autonomous control, the Commander 3 is a formidable machine as well, in particular on uneven terrain or in tight turns. This guarantees accurate maneuvering and control. The Commander 3 is renowned for its dependability and little downtime since it was designed to resist harsh job site conditions. The powerful JCB T65D telescopic boom lift is engineered to effectively access elevated work sites in the construction industry. In contrast to other telescopic boom lifts within this size range that depend on engines powered by gasoline or propane, the T65D is equipped with a sturdy 74 horsepower JCB EcoMax diesel engine. Strong performance results from this, particularly while operating over uneven terrain, up steep inclines, or in inclement weather. Amazing lifting power is available with the T65D. Over its reach for up to 80% of its range, it can support a maximum weight of 1,000 pounds in the basket. This is especially helpful for larger instruments and supplies. It can still lift a respectable 600 pounds even at full extension. 2 rock bolting rigs made by Epiroc, especially for medium and large-sized tunnels in the mining and civil construction sectors, are called Boltec M10 and E10. Both models come equipped with features that prioritize operator safety